Hi everyone, I'm Tech the Redneck. This will be a multi-part video series on assembling a computer. If you found this YouTube video, you're obviously interested in building your own computer or seeing how it's done. This will be my first attempt ever at building my own computer, so that is your disclaimer. What you see on the table are basic parts and pieces that make up a computer. Those pieces are a motherboard. This one has onboard sound and video. I will be using the onboard sound, but will be supplementing the video with a video card. A power supply, a DVD drive. You could use a CD drive, but I prefer a DVD drive. A processor with cooler, RAM, an internal hard drive, and the video card I mentioned earlier. And last but not least, a case to hold all the various parts and pieces. This concludes the overview segment of this video series. I will post more videos in the future with the opening of the packages, a review of what's inside, and the installation and assembly of the various parts you see before you. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from Tech the Redneck, your friendly, not so expert technical advisor. Again, thanks for watching.